How to fix marriage, money, career, school, life problems with Taoist astrology. At first glance, trying to fix your life problems with astrology might seem superstitious. It's hard to see how all the locations of the planets and stars make any difference to my bank account, or my relationship with people I love or hate. Reality is, astrology is the only place to start fixing your problems and building your future to be full of love, peace, and wealth. Taoist astrology is like a big-picture GPS map that tells you what's going to happen after every decision you make. I'll explain how this works. To successfully accomplish anything, you have to have the right ingredients. It's impossible to make pizza without cheese. It's impossible to fix an appliance without a screwdriver. This much is common sense. We can all agree so far. If you don't have all the right ingredients, you fail, things fall apart, you get frustrated and depressed. You won't start feeling good again until you get all the missing ingredients. But sometimes, unlike a screwdriver or cheese, the missing ingredients are invisible. The missing ingredients aren't even things that you can touch or feel. Try eating your favorite food while plugging your nose. You immediately get frustrated and depressed. This is because your favorite food suddenly becomes tasteless. And this is because the missing ingredient was air. Without air, you can't even eat properly. When you try to grow plants without sunlight, you get frustrated and depressed. But light isn't the only thing that comes from celestial bodies like the sun. There's magnetic waves, X-rays, gamma radiation, and gravity. These are all invisible, intangible ingredients you need in just the right proportion to make money, succeed in your career, to be in love, and have strong relationships. As the planets move, the types of energies you get from the universe and the amount of each type of energy changes constantly. So when the stars don't radiate the energetic ingredients you need, your life again starts falling apart. There are more videos on our YouTube channel FutureView app that explain how this works from an astrophysics and quantum physics perspective. Taoist astrology tells you exactly when you will get each of the energetic ingredients that will make you happy, successful, and wealthy. But the good news is, you don't have to wait until the planets bring you the energy you need. Certain people constantly radiate that exact same energy. Certain places do too. This is why the most successful people on Earth use FutureView.app. FutureView.app tells you when you're going to get your regular delivery of energetic ingredients you need for everything in life, and it tells you where to go to get the ingredients right now, if you can't wait.